Hey guys, it's Michaela Evans from Airstream DFW. I'm in the showroom today, back in the showroom from the Dallas RV show, and I just wanted to say thank you guys for coming out and visiting with us. If you didn't get a chance to come meet us, you're more than welcome to join us here in the showroom. And if we saw you at the RV show and you decided Airstream was just what you needed, I am ready here with all of this space to bring in some 2026s, and we still have some great deals going on 2025s. So if you haven't yet, subscribe below. Be the first to start seeing my videos on the new 2026 Airstreams. And we are here in the showroom. We invite you out. 109 North Chandler Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. If you're on the Dallas side, it's not too big of a drive. I also want you to be looking out. We have a special surprise coming up in November. Vought RV is going to be doing our very own holiday RV show with all of our brands that we have, including Airstreams. I'll be there, so if you want to meet me in person, follow us and check out those dates on our website at voughtrv.com or airstreamdfw.com. See you guys soon. Bye.